Alright, what's up? How's it going here? Not even sure that I like ruffles this much, but heck yeah, I'll take 2 of them. My first try will be to knock it down with the Pirate's Booty, and I'll try with the Lay's Wavy, then I'll go with the buy 2 ruffles. So, we'll see how this goes. Just one hand. Card exp. I don't know what that means. Okay, card expired, who cares? Check out. Oh, I swiped with my student ID. All right, we got this. Alright, that didn't work. So now we're gonna go with these layers right here. Okay. 207. Check out. This isn't really working. Okay. Okay, we got this. Alrighty, second try. Good haul, good haul. That's really sweet. Nice haul. We're gonna leave these here for now. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you could hear me. I was quiet and nervous even though I was in an empty room. Gucci, thanks for watching. So I sort of just coincidentally stayed in here and left them here, and some guy came in, bought something and took the Pirate's Booty, so glad to be giving back to the community. Thanks for watching.